or some of these municipalities and counties will require the contractor or the homeowner that is doing the work, with a new construction or alteration, that they turn in what the state calls a WPI-1. The WPI-1 is a form that we turn in that notifies the state, hey, at this address, they're doing XYZ type work, and it's open. Once that work's completed, it's inspected, and we deem that all the work is in compliance with the code, then we file what we call, or the state calls, a WPI-2. That lets the state know, hey, all construction's completed. We're signing off on it. It was done. It's in compliance. And then the state will issue a publicly listed form that they call the WPI-8. And that WPI-8 form is the actual certificate that TWIA will use to cover the new construction, the alteration, the re-roof, the windows, whatever it may be, for wind and hail coverage.